Hello friends, welcome to Technocrat CS Academy. In this video series of database management system, here we are going to learn what is secondary index. Till now we have discussed about structure of indexing and primary index. Here we are going to discuss what is mean by secondary index. So secondary index generated from unsorted file. Index file may be generated field which is order key and has unique value in every record or non-key with duplicate value. Dense index is example of secondary index. Now in primary index the main file is a sorted one. We know that file may be sorted or unsorted, which we have discussed in previous video. So if the main file is sorted and if indexing is an order key, that is called as a primary indexing. And now if in another case, if the main file is unsorted file, then we cannot apply primary indexing over there. So in that case, when main file is unsorted, we can apply indexing called as a secondary index. So here in this example, the main file is an unsorted file. That is, record can be placed in unsorted form. That is, record 4, 15, 100, 20, etc. So we cannot apply primary index. Here we can able to apply secondary indexing because the file is an unsorted file. And here on main file we can apply multiple indexing like primary indexing or secondary indexing to access main file fastly. But disadvantage is what? Here it takes the extra memory space to store multiple indexing. As we know in primary indexing, because the main file is sorted, so index file there is a few some records are entered with base pointer and one can easily access particular record. But here in this case the main file is an unsorted file. So the question is arise that can I apply Sparks index over here? So the answer is no, because in index file I cannot enter some few record because main file is not maintained in order, that is it is unsorted file. So I have to enter each record from main file, that is called as a dense indexing, and there is no option for Sparks indexing. So Sparks index we can apply for primary indexing only. So secondary index done by order key as well as non-key attribute. Again the question is arise that how much entry blocks of index file. So main file contain number of blocks, same entry can be made in index file. So this is all about secondary indexing. So let's again revise once again what is mean by secondary indexing. So secondary index is generated from unsorted file. Index file may generate field which is order key and has unique value in every record or non-key with duplicate value. That means the attribute can be done or search key attribute can be done on order key as well as non-key attribute. And dense index is example of secondary index. So this is all about secondary index. In next video we are going to discuss about what is mean by cluster index. So subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so you will get latest update. Thank you.